I'll show you how you can disable AMD integrated graphics. First off, you want to go ahead and press on Windows X at the same time. Once you press on Windows X, you'll find this menu here. On this menu, you want to go ahead and find Device Manager. On Device Manager, you can just full screen it for convenience here. Now, once you are on Device Manager, you want to go to Display Drivers. On Display Drivers, you should see integrated AMD graphics. Mine says Intel because I have an Intel processor, but it's the same process, so don't worry. On you, it should say the exact same thing, which is the AMD graphics. On here, you want to click on it, and then right-click, and then you want to tap on Disable Device. Now, do note that if you disable the integrated graphics and you don't have a dedicated graphics card, then it might mess some things up in your laptop. So make sure you know what you're doing before you disable the integrated graphics because it's a very integral part of your laptop. So before disabling this device, make sure you have another integrated driver right there.